Hello everyone, I'm welcoming you to the Power BI module. As this is the part of our Power Platform course, we delve into the Microsoft powerful business intelligence tool that is Power BI. So get ready to unlock the potential of data visualization, analysis and reporting. From creating impactful reports in Power BI desktop to sharing insights on the cloud-based Power BI services. We will guide you through the essential, whether you are new to data analytics or looking to enhance your skills. Walk with us. We embark on a journey to transform the raw data into meaningful business insights using Power BI. So we will first enter into our first module, that is Introduction to Power BI. So in this Introduction to Power BI video series, we will discuss about the Power BI, which is a Microsoft tools for visualizing and sharing data insights. Also, we will learn about licensing option, access the cloud-based Power BI service, and install Power BI desktop in our local system. By following along, you can create your first report and dashboard, unlocking the power of data visualization. So let's dive into the world of Power BI. We will see what is Power BI. Power BI is a tool made by Microsoft for visualizing data in a user-friendly way. It is a part of Microsoft Power Platform and was launched in July 2011. Power BI uses apps, connectors, and software services to run different data sources into interactive and easy to understand visuals. Also, it starts by getting raw data and organizing it using a tool called Power Query Editor. Then we can create visualization and reports based on the data. Visualization includes things like tables, charts, and KPIs, providing user with valuable information at a glance. As Power BI is a versatile and accessible both on-premises in the cloud, allowing users to visualize and analyze data through the creation of shareable reports, dashboards, and apps. Next, we will see the components of Power BI. So, our first component is Power BI Desktop, which is a standalone application and used to create the reports and visualization, allows users to connect to various data sources, and also we can use transform data and design interactive reports. And our second component is Power BI Service. It is a cloud-based service which allows users to publish, share, and collaborate on Power BI reports and dashboards. Also, it provides a platform for sharing insights with other users within or outside the organization. And our third component of Power BI is Power BI mobile application. Is a mobile application that run in iOS or Android that enables users to access Power BI reports and dashboard anywhere and anytime. Next, we will move forward to the key features of Power BI. First is the data connectivity. Power BI allow users to connect to a wide range of data sources including databases, cloud services, Excel files and more. By integrating with popular services such as Azure, SQL Server, SharePoint and Dynamic 365. And the second key feature is Power Query Editor, which is very useful, a user-friendly tool for data transformation and shaping, allowing users to clean, transform, and load data into Power BI. And the third is data modeling. Power BI enables users to create relationship between different data tables, define hierarchies, and build complex data models in depth analysis. Visualization offers a variety of customizable and interactive visualization options including charts, graphs, maps, tables, and more. Custom visuals and a marketplace for additional visualization options. Next is the visualization, which offers a variety of customizable interactive visualization options including chart, maps, tables, and more. Custom visuals and a marketplace for additional visualization options are available in Power BI. And the fourth one is DAX, which is known as Data Analysis Expression, a powerful formula language for creating custom calculation aggregation within the Power BI. Power BI Desktop As we have already discussed, it is an application for creating reports and dashboards, allowing users to design a visualization before publishing them. And the Power BI service is also we have discussed. It is a cloud-based service for sharing, collaborating, and publishing Power BI reports and dashboards. Power BI Mobile also we have already discussed. It is a mobile application for iOS and Android devices, enabling users to access and interact with Power BI content anywhere and anytime. Next is the role label security, which allows administrator to control access to data at the row level based on user roles, ensuring the data security and privacy. Integration with Microsoft Office. Power BI seamlessly integrates with Microsoft Office applications like Excel, SharePoint, and Teams, providing a cohesive ecosystem for data analysis and collaboration. AI powered insights. Power BI incorporates artificial intelligence capabilities for features like quick insights, which automatically analyze the data to uncover the trends and patterns. This feature will automate the updating of reports and dashboards with the latest data and specified interval. Power BI embedded, we can allows developer to integrate the Power BI features into custom applications and websites. So these are the key features of Power BI. That's all for today. We will see you on next video where we will see about Power BI licensing and pricing. Thank you so much.